all over Pakistan, and 6 returning officers are separately appointed by the Election Commission specifically for scrutinizing the nomination forms within the prescribed period of candidates for reserved seats. So, my lord, I was coming back to Form 33. When Form 33 is issued, the voters, the electorate, it has notice that these are the candidates who will be contesting elections.
General seats.
General seats as well as, my lord, because there is a Form 33 for reserve seats also.
Just a minute. देखिए इसमें Form 33 में last जो column है 5,
जी सर,
उसमें party affiliation if any.
बिल्कुल.
ये आपको क्या कानून इख्तियार देता है कि आप डिटरमाइन करें कि ये पार्टी एफिलिएशन है या वो जो फॉर्म जमा होते हैं आपने जस्ट देखना है कि ये फॉर्म इसके साथ एफिलिएशन है तो ये पार्टी के इस फॉर्म के साथ एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो वो इंडिपेंडेंट है.
बिल्कुल जी.
क्या ये इस तरह है या आपके इसमें इख्तियार है कि आप खुद डिटरमाइन?
मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. My lord, I was going to come to it, but I'm happy to answer this. This is actually one of the central questions which was being discussed in the bench in the morning session. If I can just argue sequentially, I will be, my lord, I will be addressing this.
Please go ahead. Please note कर लें जवाब दे.
But my lord, this is, I will answer it in detail.
Note कर लें.
Note it. My lord, the short answer to that is,
for lighter note, सिद्दीकी साहब ने भी 10-12 क्वेश्चन मेरे नोट के जवाब किसी का नहीं दिया.
My lord, I promise, let's have a score, my lord, कि सिद्दीकी साहब और मेरा score क्या रहता है. I promise I'll be answering. And I may not, I don't know whether I'll be successful in the case, but I'm going to win this.
Question 1 noted. What's his name? Your associates?
Abdullah.
Abdullah, you'll be penalized if you don't remind him. Note, sit down and
Abdullah
note question
also
1.
keep score, sir. Okay, how many questions I missed? He can keep score, sir. My lord. My lord, Form 33. There is a Form 33 for reserve seats. There's a Form 33 for general seats. Always. It's there. It's on record. I'll come to it. That is the form, my lord, which is noticed to the electorate that these are the candidates who are going to be, in the case of general seats, on the ballot paper, and in the case of reserve seats, they are candidates of political parties who have filed Form 66. Form 66, my lord, is the reserved seat for the political parties list for reserve seats. That is a form. It is regulated by the rules. It's provided for in Rule 92.7, my lord, right. And the form is Form 66. So, my lord, just nomenclature, I'll be calling it Form 66.
This is for reserve seats.
Yes, my lord.
Form 66.
Specifically. My lord, this expression that has been used, list, the legal expression is Form 66. That's what the statute refers to it as. So, my lord, what I was submitting was, political parties which have within the prescribed period filed a Form 66 and their candidates filed their nomination forms within the period specified in the election program, whose nomination forms have been accepted, go into the Form 33. Form 33 is notice to the world, to the electors of this country.
33 and 66.
My lord, Form 33, I said.
Not 66.
No, my lord. 66 is the list. So,
okay.
By the party. 66 is the list provided by the party.
My lord, actually the list जो है, ये भी मैं समझा देता हूँ.
बुनियाद पे ये 66 बनता है.
बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल. My lord, जो forms
आप बनाते हैं.
जी जी. My lord, the Form 66.
पहले जरा अगर इसको आप जो है ना, पहले आप जनरल सीट का कंप्लीट करके and then come to the reserve seats.
ठीक है जी. My lord, all I am submitting is that दोनों का process identical है. The same provisions of law apply.
Stages बता देना.
Stages, बिल्कुल. So my lord, what I have done is I can go to that straight away after I make this one. I clarify this point.
But it begins.
I have a sample of my lord. I have a whole set of a candidate for reserve seats, and if I may have permission, I think that will be very helpful. I'll just take my lord through a real set of what happens to a candidate, like my lord wants to see. वो nomination form file करता है, वो क्या होता है, और एक general seat का है.
General seat से शुरू कर.
General seat का शुरू कर दूं जी. General seat से. Yeah.
copies for all of us?
जी my lord, they're all in my
They're okay.
जी एच
इस पेज पे
मैं आ रहा हूँ जी हाँ? किधर है मेरा हाँ नहीं अली बुखारी इंडिपेंडेंट हाँ my lord, I have a package here for page 239
ये रिटर्न
for a returned independent candidate.
इस जगह
Page 239, it starts at. This candidate's name was Shahid Ahmed, and it was for NA 38.
238
9, my lord. Sorry, I beg your pardon.
Form A.
G. So, my lord, the first thing that comes is the election program is issued. The RO invites nomination forms, and the nomination form is given. Here, before I come to page 241, my lord, because that is
Just one little question for
Sir,
my
of course,
clarity.
madam.
So when he files the Form A, does he then have, suppose if he's representing a party, a political, he must then already have a ticket to file this?
no, my lord. This is, you see, that's
But
why
later there could be more
See,
than one.
My lord, may I samjha deta hoon? Then may I please, because this was to answer my lord's questions. If I just am allowed a little bit of time to go in my sequence, all of this will come up.
Sure.
May I
There's some
revert?
rough edges
I
which you won't
apologize, my
understand
lord.
from you. That's okay.
My lord, I will answer your question. That's very pertinent right now.
ठीक.
My lord, there are two clarifications, I think. One, my lord, जो reserve seats की list है, Form 66. The Constitution says it is submitted by the political party to the Election Commission, not by the candidate to the RO. Section 104 then says that when the candidate applies for a reserve seat, he must submit the same documents to the RO also. एक ये चीज होगी जी. दूसरा, my lord's question, this is very relevant actually. So, my lord, the nomination form gets filed right at the beginning. This is stage 2. At that stage, the law does not, and for this will answer my lord's, Mr. Justice Bandukhe's point. I'm going to read section 66 and 67.
You mean
My
to
lord-
say that despite filing list by the political party, the candidates mentioned in that list shall also file their nomination papers separately?
G, my lord, because my lord, he is at the end. My lord, let me make this point that a reserve seat for women or non-Muslim is as much of an MNA as a general seat MNA. And this is important, and I will develop on this. The reserve seat for women candidate can be Prime Minister. That's why the electorate must have notice in terms of Form 33 of the candidate before they go to vote.
पता हो कि पूरे
Exactly, my lord. उनको पता हो कि ये, as I said,
For instance, a Muslim cannot contest on a
yes, my
non-Muslim
lord.
seat.
And my lord, there may be a voter who says, I am a die-hard supporter of Party X, but if Sikandar is in their reserved list, I will not vote for him.
They've been very harsh.
Not, Sikandar is neither non-Muslim nor a woman, but I was just making a point, my
I
lord.
didn't want to upset anyone.
I didn't want to take anyone's name. So I took
ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
For my knowledge,
My lord.
question. After filing the nomination paper, after filing the list by the party
Ji.
and filing the nomination paper by Sikandar,
Ji.
can he withdraw the nomination?
Yes, my lord, is this question, is Sikandar applying for a general seat or a reserve seat?
Or reserve seat?
Yes, my lord, he can.
पर कमर इस्तेमाल करने दोनों के लिए चल जाएगा
ठीक
नाम.
है जी. My lord, yes, he can. Up to 12/1/2024, which is the step 8 in the election program. My lord, as I said, every single provision relating to scrutiny, nomination forms is identical to the, and my lords are very used to seeing in election matters those. It's the same process.
ये बताएं that you're saying this form is available for the public to look at the party list. Where is it available?
My lord,
During the
leadership-
course of when it's
leadership,
filed.
it is, I will read the provision. It is also uploaded
आपने
on
कहा
the
ना,
website of the
public
Election
देखिए,
Commission of
कब-
Pakistan.
आप कब करते हैं? So as a member of the public,
जी, जी.
A, and
Yes.
who wants to
When
be
Form
very
33 is-
diligent, where will that person see Form 33?
Form 33 is published. It's a public
Section
document.
And
104
Form
में लिखा हुआ है।
66, when will they
That
see
would be
Form
public
66?
They will see Form 60.
information. Rule 56.
My not leadership form. जी.
Form 66 कहाँ अपलोड करते हैं या पब्लिक को कहाँ से मिल
My
रहा
lord,
है?
wo, ladyship, beg your pardon. That is filed with the nomination papers also, and it is given to the ECP, and the ECP publishes it.
Yes, इसमें लिखा है
जी, जी.
104 की
जी, जी,
लास्ट
जी.
लाइन में.
जी जी जी.